Have you ever wondered why, despite eating less and moving more, your body still holds on to stubborn fat? Why do some people lose weight effortlessly, while others struggle for years with no success? The answer may not lie in willpower, but in a powerful biological process hidden deep within your cells, autophagy. And when paired with strategic eating, also known as intermittent fasting, this process can unlock your body's natural ability to burn fat, repair damage, and even reverse aging. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the science behind autophagy and fasting. We'll uncover 7 powerful research-backed superfoods that not only support fat loss, but also restore your body from the inside out. This isn't about crash diets or overnight miracles. It's about real sustainable transformation from the cellular level. Autophagy is your body's ultimate recycling program. Every day, your cells accumulate waste, damaged proteins, malfunctioning mitochondria, and even potential cancerous materials. Autophagy clears out this cellular junk, breaking it down and using it as fuel to build new, healthy cells. Think of it like spring cleaning for your body. Without it, toxins build up, inflammation increases, aging accelerates. But when autophagy is activated, your body enters a healing state. It repairs itself. It becomes efficient, and most importantly, it starts burning fat as a primary fuel source. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, who won the Nobel Prize in 2016 for his discoveries in autophagy, demonstrated how fasting triggers this self-cleansing process, potentially extending lifespan and improving disease resistance. Intermittent fasting is not just about skipping meals. It's a metabolic switch. During a fasted state, insulin levels drop, and the body stops storing fat. Instead, it begins burning stored fat for energy. More importantly, fasting activates AMPK, a master energy sensor that tells the body to stop growing and start repairing. As insulin sensitivity improves, fat around organs, especially dangerous visceral fat, starts to melt away. Popular fasting schedules include 16.8, fast for 16 hours, eat in 8, or 18.6. The beauty of this approach? You don't need to count calories or eat less. You just eat within a defined window, giving your body time to recover and heal. Coffee is more than a morning ritual. When consumed black and unsweetened, it becomes a powerful fat-burning tool. Caffeine boosts metabolic rate, supports dopamine production, and enhances endurance. It also works synergistically with fasting, extending the fasted state by suppressing hunger and improving fat mobilization. But moderation is key. Limit to 1 to 2 cups a day to avoid overstimulating the adrenals. Narration: protein during your eating window helps maintain muscle mass and promote recovery. Grass-fed beef is superior to grain-fed because it contains more omega-3s, conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, and vitamin B12. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, rebuild tissues, and balance hormones, crucial when your body is in repair mode during fasting. Healthy fats, like those in avocados, help you feel full longer and stabilize blood sugar, reducing insulin spikes that hinder fat burning. Avocados also contain fiber, potassium, and phytochemicals that support heart health, brain function, and autophagy. Add half an avocado to your first meal after fasting for optimal metabolic balance. Bone broth is a powerful way to nourish the body during longer fasts. Rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals, it supports gut lining, skin elasticity, and joint health. Glycine and proline, found abundantly in broth, promote deeper sleep and faster recovery. Even a small cup during a longer fast can provide electrolytes and prevent fatigue. Ancient grains like millet, quinoa, and buckwheat are low glycemic and rich in magnesium, iron, and fiber. Used after your fast, they help replenish glycogen without causing insulin spikes. Include a small serving in your post-fast meal to support workout recovery and keep your body energized for the next cycle. Garlic contains allicin and sulfur compounds that activate AMPK, the same enzyme triggered by fasting. This means garlic can mimic some benefits of fasting even when you're eating. It's also antimicrobial, blood pressure lowering, and supports detox pathways in the liver. So the secret isn't in a single magic food or rigid rule, it's in the synergy. Intermittent fasting clears the way. Superfoods fuel the healing. Together, they reprogram your body for health, energy, and longevity. Which of these 7 foods are already part of your routine? Which one are you curious to try next?